How to use blending on CapCut. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can use the blending feature in CapCut. So let's just get right into it. First thing you're going to have to do is have your videos imported to your media player. And then once you've done that, you can add your videos to track by pressing this add to track option. So I have these two videos right here. What I'm going to do now is select the video where I want to create a blend. So let's say if I want to blend these two videos, I'm going to click on it and then click on this blend option. Now here on the mode, it's default, but I'm going to go ahead and create an overlay first. So once you create an overlay, you can drag this video on top of the other one. I'm going to make sure that it fits the screen like this. And now you can play with the opacity. So as you can see here on the mode, I'm going to select overlay again and then adjust its opacity. So you could easily do that by playing with the slider right here. So you can change the opacity of both of these videos to create an overlay, or you could just do a linear burn and see how that works out as well. As you can see, these two videos are playing on top of each other. So let's do another one. You could go ahead and do a soft light as well, and then do a color dodge. So it will show you guys what it looks like. You could just play around with the opacity. And finally, when you're happy with your blend, you can just go ahead and export your video. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.